I'm in a mood. It's fucking 8:45 on the 9th of March. Fucking look at that bloody ass sea, dude. Hella coins in the fucking red. Let's take a look. This is sometimes educational. Perhaps it is entertaining, but it is never ever to be construed as financial advice. I'm just a brand noob in the crypto scene. I just like to read the news and check on some numbers. So join me. Let's check it out. Bitcoin, 53 and a half. That's not bad. First place is always Ethereum. Second place is always 1.7. Fucking murdering miners as we speak, but no big deal. Binance coin, $280. Third place. Tether slid into fourth. Oh, no, it wasn't fourth already. Cardano hanging on to fifth place at $1.15. Polkadot hanging on right behind at 37.21. XRP in seventh place at 46 cents. Man, they have been stagnant as fuck right there for a while. Uniswap, 31.35. Litecoin, ninth place, 194.62. And Chainlink, might as well just fucking build a house in spot number 10 at 30.15. Yeah, it's been stagnant for a while, eh? The top 10 has been just sitting there. Okay, top movers. Polygon at 30%. Avalanche, 23. Pundi at 21%. Binance Coin at 13. Raven Coin at 11. That's my boy. I only know Raven and Binance. All that other shit is God knows what. I gotta get better about that. I say that all the time, and I see the same handful on here. I used to read about a new coin every day. I used to be good. I used to go to the gym. I used to eat right. I used to not have kids. Okay, so the last time we talked was about 22 hours ago. Bitcoin slid about 1.45%, but not before taking a run at, what's that, 55 and 2? Oh, no, just 55 right there. Not before taking a good run at 55, before pulling back at 55.8. And it's been doing some pretty consistent sideways motion. That's what we use. It's almost like changing lanes, like sideways, sideways, sideways. Boom, let's change lanes up into the 55 grand area. And then let's go sideways, sideways, sideways. So, and that's studying it all summer long. That's the kind of stuff that you would see when it had some pretty consistent upward momentum. But it didn't just fall back down. But look at how thin this cloud support has been for like the last, I don't know, 8 hours or so. Very indecisive, the cloud. Let's go ahead and zoom in and see if there's any more clarity, but we'll see. Well, the conversion line is absolutely eating shit right now. So there's that. It is like, I have never seen the conversion line just tank like that. So it, not only did it cross the baseline, but it looks like it just jumped off a roof while the baseline's running totally flat. I suppose that represents the roof that conversion jumped off of. Well, the lagging indicator is just crashing just about as hard and squiggly pointing downish, I guess. Yeah, that's some chaos, dude. I don't know what to make of that. That is an indecisive cloud for sure. But I mean, seeing that conversion line crash that hard is some downward pressure for sure. So there's, what is there, some selling pressure? Whoops, let's get rid of that. The EMAs are a jumbling mess, just like the rest of this crypto community. I'm just bitter. Watch the other video. I just spent like 16 hours just balls deep in EIP 1559, made a fatty video about it. So please watch it, dude. It took a lot of effort to make a fucking 30-minute video. Anyways, I gotta get out of this. I'm stalling. EMAs are inverted and they're chaotic and they're shitty looking and it's gonna go down and oh my god. yeah. Bitcoin's probably gonna go down a little bit, I think, before it bounces back up. That's some chaotic looking signs right there. Fucking whatever. Apparently the artists who use ArtStation don't like Ethereum. ArtStation was gonna put their stuff onto NFTs or give them the option to or whatever. A bunch of them freaked out and called it an ecological nightmare and a whole bunch of other stuff, and so they backed off. I think it's odd because I thought that the NFT was like a godsend to the digital artist. It makes a unique copy of a piece of art that is serialized and cannot be duplicated, and it's bringing like a canvassed art or like a real piece of art to the digital realm. I thought that was incredibly liberating to the independent artist. But if you are a Luddite and you don't know anything about cryptos and you don't realize that that is the future of the economy and you'd rather take your money in USD that is currently being printed like Monopoly money, then maybe you would get all fucking upset about something like that. So enjoy your fiat. More crypto for me. Kings of Leon know what's up, and they released their new album on an NFT. I think we might have talked about it. If not, this is not news. It's kind of cool. Same idea. They're serialized, and there's only so many. When the sale is over, they're going to destroy the unsold copies. So whatever sales is what sales. And there will be a secondhand market, and there won't be any... I don't know if you can get the CD or the audio or the MP3s or whatever out of it. I guess you probably could. But you wouldn't own the real copy. It's also available on vinyl. So only vinyl and digital, which is actually kind of what I think makes sense. Vinyl sounds the best. Digital's the most portable. Anything in between is a compromise. Yeah, apparently some fans aren't happy. They extended the sale before they burned the digital copies, but I don't know. I mean, sort of like the artist at the art station. It's like, this is what's happening. This is the new thing. I don't know. What do I know? South Korea bank. Okay, sorry. Let's get some shit straight. So some banking giant and LG CNS, which is an IT services division of LG company, announced that they're going to be doing the central bank digital currency for the Bank of Korea. I swear, dude, like 2 weeks ago, we just talked about Korea banning all things crypto. I swear to God, if I'm not tripping, that South Korea was on the list with India, looking at locking down and banning this stuff. And then I had like 3 articles in a row, like one after each day, that like South Korea is just like embracing the shit out of cryptocurrencies, like like years worth of like adoption in like 3 days. But whatever. Yeah, CBDC. We need a central bank digital currency. I've been bitching about it forever. China's going to make it first because we are too slow. The United States is going to do something about it. U.S. lawmakers introduced a bill aimed at clarifying crypto regulations. That is House Bill 1602. That's got a bookmark, so we'll check on that every so often, see if that's got any movement on it that we might, miss on the normal news cycle. Eliminate Barriers to Innovation Act of 2021. It's going to make a group of people who have to, what's the word I'm looking for? This law, if it passes, will form a committee that has a year to make recommendations. And so they're going to debate the bill. They're going to fucking forget about the bill. They're going to debate it again. Then it's going to finally pass, maybe. And then they're going to form a committee, which is going to take fucking forever. Then they're going to give that committee a year. That committee's going to ask for an extension. And then maybe in 3 years, you're going to get a report about what you should have been doing in crypto fucking right now, which you're not doing because you're going to wait for this report. So that's cool, man. Let China get the lead on that. Let's just fall behind in another sector. Well, if you want more bright and sunshine shit, subscribe and like, and see you in the morning.